friends! It's me, your pal, the Gigglebug! Are you ready for an adventure? We're going to the Jungle of Giggles. It's where animals make the silliest sounds. Can you say Jungle of Giggles? I knew you could! Let's go! Look! It's Ellie the elephant! She's big and gray and has a trunk like a snake. But wait! Ellie wants to say hi! What sound will she make? Beep, beep, says Ellie. She sounds like a little toy. That's silly. Elephants don't say beep, beep. Can you say beep, beep? Over there by the river is Henry the hippo. Henry is a big, friendly hippopotamus who loves to spend his days lounging by the water. He enjoys the cool breeze and the gentle sound of the river flowing by. Henry is always up for some fun and games. He loves to take baths and blow bubbles. Bath time is Henry's favorite time of the day. He splashes around making waves and creating a bubbly mess. The bubbles tickle his nose and he giggles with delight. Uh-oh! Henry has the hiccups! His eyes widen in surprise as he feels the first hiccup coming. It's a funny sight to see such a big hippo with the hiccups. I wonder what that will sound like. Bowing! Bowing! Hiccups Henry. Each hiccup sends bubbles flying everywhere. It's like a bubble party. He sounds like a bouncy ball. That's so silly. Henry's hiccups make him bounce up and down, and he can't help but laugh at himself. Hippos don't say, bowing, bowing. Henry is puzzled by the strange sound he's making. He tries to stop the hiccups, but they just keep coming. Can you say bowing, bowing? The children watching Henry find it hilarious and start mimicking his hiccups. They laugh and shout, bowing, bowing, along with him. It's a joyful scene filled with laughter and fun. Section 4. The Giggly Gorilla Show. Look up high. It's Gary the gorilla. He's always up to something fun and exciting. Gary loves to climb the tallest trees in the jungle. Can you see him up there? He's so high up. He's swinging from the trees and wants to show us something. Watch how he swings from branch to branch with such ease. It's like he's flying through the jungle. Gary is very strong and loves to make funny faces. Look at those muscles and those silly expressions. He always knows how to make everyone laugh. What do you think he'll do next? Gary looks like he's thinking of something really funny. Maybe he's planning his next big joke. Gary puffs out his cheeks and then... What could he be up to? It looks like he's about to do something really silly. Splat! He makes a raspberry sound. That's so silly. Did you hear that? Gary just made the funniest sound ever. Gorillas don't usually make raspberry sounds. Look at Gary's face. He looks so surprised that he made that sound. Isn't that hilarious? Can you make a raspberry sound? Try it. It's so much fun. Just like Gary, you can make everyone laugh with your silly sounds. Section 5. See you soon in the Jungle of Giggles. Wow! We heard so many silly sounds in the Jungle of Giggles today. Did you have fun? I bet you did. The jungle was filled with laughter and joy, and it was so much fun exploring it with you. From the moment we stepped into this magical place, we knew it was going to be an adventure full of giggles and surprises. Remember Ellie the elephant who said beep, beep? She was so funny, wasn't she? Ellie loves to make everyone laugh with her silly sounds. Every time she goes beep, beep, it's like she's saying hello in her own special way. And Henry the hippo who hiccuped, bowing, bowing. Henry's hiccups are the silliest. He always manages to make everyone around him giggle with his unexpected bowing, bowing sounds. It's like he has a little spring inside him that makes him bounce with every hiccup. And we can't forget Gary the gorilla and his silly raspberry. Gary's raspberry sounds are the funniest. He loves to play tricks and make funny noises to keep everyone entertained. His raspberry sound is his favorite, and it always makes everyone laugh out loud. You were amazing at making those sounds too. It was so much fun hearing you join in with Ellie, Henry, and Gary. Your sounds were just as silly and wonderful. You made the Jungle of Giggles even more fun with your creativity and laughter. If you liked our jungle adventure, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more giggle-filled fun. Bye for now, and remember, the Jungle of Giggles is always here, waiting for you to come back and have more fun. See you soon!